Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving in downtown Kingston. We are on King Street heading towards Parade. Now the government has major plans to upgrade the Parade area. Parade is one of the major transportation hubs in Jamaica. You have Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica, 250,000 people a day pass through Halfway Tree. And one of the main routes from Halfway Tree is from Halfway Tree to Parade in downtown Kingston. You also have another major transportation hub, which is Crossroads. And another major route is from Crossroads to Parade. And then from Parade, you can go to Spanish Town, Portmore. So it's one of the busiest places in Jamaica outside of Halfway Tree. Probably is the second busiest place in the city of Kingston. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, I'm not sure why all these taxis are turning around. Maybe it's because police are in the area. I'm not sure, but it's very weird that both of them turn around at that spot. But we'll see. So straight ahead is the Sir William Grant Park. And then this is Parade. So the JUTC buses load on South Parade, which is where we're going to turn on now, and they load on North Parade. But the facilities there are not anything close to what you'll find at the Halfway Tree Transport Center or even in Crossroads. So the government plans to upgrade. There you can see on the left, there are no canopies, nothing, no railing. If it rains, how do you get on these buses? So the government plans to do some major upgrades in this area. And one of the major upgrades is to upgrade the bus facilities so you can have a covered canopy to load and unload the bus. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the government has planned to do. Public transportation is a crucial aspect of urban life, ensuring the smooth movement of people within cities. In Kingston, Jamaica, the North and South Parade bus bays serve as major transit hubs, connecting downtown Kingston with areas such as Halfway Tree, Harbourview, Spanish Town and Portmore. Recognizing the need for improvements, the Jamaican government has announced a series of upgrades aimed at enhancing the commuter experience. Among the proposed changes are the installation of safety rails, canopies to provide shelter from the elements, seating, improved signage, and better street lighting. Additionally, a designated bus service for students and a general reorganization of the bus bays are being considered. These improvements aim to make the area safer, more efficient, and more commuter-friendly. During a recent site visit, Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Darrell Vaz, emphasized the importance of these upgrades. He highlighted key issues such as congestion, unauthorized parking, and vending, which contribute to disorder in the area. To address these challenges, a committee comprising representatives from various organizations, including the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, the Transport Authority, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and the Jamaica Urban Transit Company will oversee the project's implementation. Minister Vaz assured commuters that visible changes would take place in the coming months. Alongside the bus bay improvements, efforts are being made to enhance the efficiency and reliability of the JUTC bus system. Mayor of Kingston also underscored the importance of redesigning entry points to improve the boarding process, reducing overcrowding, and ensuring smoother operations. The initiative is part of a broader effort to modernize Jamaica's public transportation system. The improvements at North and South Parade represent a step towards creating a more organized, safe, and efficient transit experience for Kingston's commuters. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.